What's up, guys? This is the Nemesis Coupe with a quick little video on what I'm doing today. Had to replace a lower oil pan on Billy's 350Z because he hit a rock. So, dented his oil pan pretty good. It dented the recirculation tube for the oil, the shield on it, that little dome shield thing. But, I mean, that was fine for the most part. Really messed up his engine shield, and since the rock poked up through there, it dented the lower pan, and I just got done putting the new pan on and the liquid gasket maker. I gotta wait until that sets before I can put oil in it. It's starting to drizzle a little, so once the liquid gasket is fully set, I'm gonna put oil in it, make sure it doesn't leak, and I'm gonna pull it in about halfway and then finish it up for him. So, man, this car's been through a fucking lot. I mean, we put this carbon fiber hood on, we put the wing on. It was wrapped by CF vinyls up in Fleetwood. Got our little cat litter barrier for all the oil that just decided to dump out. Yeah, super awesome. This kid has the worst luck with cars, I swear. Took a chunk out of that from the bumper. Not sure if you can see it. I'll have to throw in the other video clips I have of underneath of it and what it looks like before I replaced everything. So,
Based on looking at it.
I'm looking. Wow, yeah, that oil pan's a fucking crater. I'm looking at your upper.
I'm so stressed out right now.
Upper looks fine. Ew. Homie, you also have a coolant leak.
A what?
A coolant leak. You know, the coolant, the stuff that keeps your engine cold so it doesn't overheat.
I have a coolant leak?
Yeah, dude. You can see it. All the spray on the fucking fans and everything, and it's wet right there. I mean, shit. Yeah, I'd say get fucking rid of this thing soon. Like ASAP, homie.
The coolant leak's not from the...
Okay. Oh, fuck. Oh, I can't zoom out. Damn it. All right. It's dripping over there by the corner. I really hope his upper isn't fucked up. I'm not gonna really be able to tell until I look at the back when I get it off. Shit. And then you have leaks there. You got leaks all there. All that. It's all leaking. Yep, you did smack that tube a little bit, but it's still open enough to where you can still suck oil through and recirculate it.
Brian, all I need is this car to last 133 miles.
That'll be good enough. But the lower doesn't look fucked up or dented or nothing, so looks fine.
I was gonna say, I literally just need this car to get me
Yeah.
to Virginia and not look like it's about to blow up.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Wow, not much oil, I should say.
No. Okay. So far, so good.
Oh, perfect. This one was
No
already
leaks at all. Nothing. Looks pretty good. All right, good enough.
Oh God, this is so far forward.
I'm sorry, I'm short.